the government celebrates Constitution Day every year. And in this regard, let us take up question number 85. Consider the following statements with respect to Constitution Day. Statement 1. The Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th of November every year to promote constitutional values amongst its citizens. Now, this statement is correct because the Constitution was enacted on 26th November and the government intends to celebrate this first in order to celebrate the enactment of the Constitution. And there's another objective also. By celebrating the enactment of the Constitution, the government also intends to promote the constitutional values amongst its citizens. Now, let us take up statement number 2. On 26 November of the year 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in order to prepare the draft Constitution of India. Now, this statement is incorrect. As you can see, from this preamble of the Constitution, it expressly mentions the Constitution was adopted, enacted on the 26th day of November of the year 1949. And in this context, the statement 2 becomes incorrect because the drafting committee was constituted much before the Constitution was enacted. So, only statement 1 is correct, thus making option C the right answer.